Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet. Today I want to show you how to do this granny square. This is a real beauty. I will show you from the beginning to the end, and we are starting from the center and working our way out and eventually doing it into a square. I will show you from the beginning to the end, but if you think this is going too fast, you can always slow down the speed in the settings below, and you can also speed up the speed if you think this is going too slowly. I have another tutorial where I show you how to do the same square in one color. It's not that different, but if you prefer that, then go ahead and watch that one. For the yarn, I've used a DK weight, and then I've used a 4.5mm hook. If you love granny squares as much as I do, then go ahead, check out my playlist where I show you all the different granny squares I've made, and I'm working on doing each and every granny square in the world, so have fun! Let's begin with this one. First we make a slip knot. And then we chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we do a double crochet into this first chain. So yarn over and insert the hook in the first chain and double crochet. Now these chains count as the first double crochet, and you did another double crochet, so now you have 2 double crochet. Continue doing double crochets into this center of your soon-to-be little circle. So this first chain down here, you continue doing double crochets into this until you have 16, including this chain. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue until you have 16. When you have 16 double crochet, you now join with a slip stitch in the top chain up here. So just insert the hook in the top chain and slip stitch. Then you chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this now counts as 1 double crochet and 2 chains. In the next stitch, you'll do a double crochet. Chain 2. And do a double crochet in the next. Then chain 2. And a double crochet in the next. Continue like this all the way around. Chain 2 and a double crochet in the next. Chain 2 and a double crochet in the next, all the way around. And finally, at the end of the round, you join with a slip stitch in the top chain, in the third chain. And then to begin the next round, you do a slip stitch in the first gap. So do 1 slip stitch, and then chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. These 3 chains count as the first double crochet. You'll do another 2 double crochet into this space. So just yarn over and insert the hook into the space and do another 2 double crochet in the same space. So now you have 3 double crochet in this first space. Then you chain 1 and do 3 double crochet in the next space. Just yarn over and insert the hook directly into the space, and then do 3 double crochet into this next space. Alright, then after this, chain 1 and do 3 double crochet in the next space. Then chain 1 and 3 double crochet in the next space. Repeat this all the way around. Then to finish this round, you will do a slip stitch in the top chain. And we will now change the color of the yarn. So cut the yarn, pull this one through, and then find any of these chain spaces and attach the new color yarn. You will just do this with a little knot. So just tie a knot, and that's it. Then you insert the hook, pull up a loop, then chain 1, and single crochet into this same chain space. Then you chain 3, 1, 2, 3, find your next space and single crochet into this. then chain 3, and single crochet into the next space, and chain 3, and single crochet into the next space. Now you have 3 of these chains, and you will now do the corner. So chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then single crochet into the next space. So now you did the corner. Now you'll do another 3 of these. So you chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you find your next space and single crochet. You repeat this all the way around. You do the corners with 6 chains and the other 3 with 3 chains. So now you'll do another 2 of those right here, and then you will do the corner with 6 chains and then repeat all the way around. And to finish this round, we finish with a slip stitch in the first single crochet we did of the round. So just insert the hook and then slip stitch in the first single crochet. Now we will begin the next round with a slip stitch in this first chain after the corner. So just insert the hook into this space and slip stitch. And chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and these 3 chains now counts as the first double crochet. We will do another 2 double crochet into this same chain space. So yarn over, insert the hook into this chain space, and double crochet, and then do another double crochet in the same chain space. So you will have what counts as 3 double crochet in total into this space. Do 3 double crochet in each of the next 2 chain spaces. Just yarn over and insert the hook into the next chain space and do 3 double crochet and then 3 double crochet in the next space. When you make it to your first corner, you'll do 5 double crochet in this first space. So insert the hook into the big corner space and then do 5 double crochet. I always pull them just a bit together because we need to do some more in this space. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then do another 5 double crochet in the same corner space. So just insert the hook in the same space and do another 5 double crochet. And then your corner looks like this. This is what you will repeat for all the 4 corners, and then you'll do 3 gaps of 3 double crochet. So now you have the next 3 spaces. You'll do 3 double crochet in each space. Just move on to the next little space and double crochet, and then another 2 double crochet, and then in this one 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and then you make it to the next corner where you will repeat what you did over here. 5 double crochet, then chain 3, and then 5 double crochet, and then continue repeating this all the way around. And to finish this round, you join with a slip stitch in the top chain, just to join. And then I want to change the color, so I cut the yarn and pulling this one through, and then I will attach the new yarn, which will be the pink one, and I just attach it in any of the stitches. Just attach with a little knot, pull this one through, and then tie a little knot. Then insert the hook, pull up a loop, and chain 3. And these chain 3 counts as the first double crochet of the round. Then continue with 1 double crochet in each stitch. So just in each, whoops, that was not a double crochet. Yarn over, and then do your double crochet. Continue with 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way to the corner. And in the corner, you start with 1 double crochet in the chain space, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then do another double crochet in the same corner space. And this is what you do for each corner. 1 double crochet, chain 3, and 1 double crochet. Then continue all the way around. You do 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way to the next corner. In the corner, you do 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way. Just continue repeating this all the way around. And to finish it up, you finish with a slip stitch in the top chain. And then you break the yarn, pull this one through, and you're done. So, I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!